we are here to just present our company in this big platform like Unity. Unity has a partner from us like from last 3 to 4 years. We are the partner with Unity, and this opportunity we got this year to present ourselves in Unity and show what we can do and what our company has made in the using the Unity out there. Yeah, the collaboration of Unity started from 2015. Actually, basically we started with building few demos with the Unity. Then we started using plugins in that, make many artificial intelligence kind of content we have developed. Then we have used for completely industrial purposes like the client basics, and also for the products like the gamings and all that our company has developed using the Unity out there. So that's an excellent experience I am facing right now. Till now, the vibe is not out from me currently because uh, the all the means what to say. Sorry for that. Yeah, actually, the response which we are getting from here, it's what we have not expected. Actually, we have not expected this much amount of response from all the people around here. So and that's good for our company as well as us people who are present here. So I'm too happy and I cannot express myself right now. So you can see it.
Congratulations on that.
Yeah, thank you. Key takeaway that we need to be much more, we need to think, we need to develop much more in the content actually. The content should be much more graphically and technically it should be much more strong, and we need to reduce the size of I learned from this event, that the size of the Unity product it matter a lot. So I have a good knowledge that what we should use to develop a Unity game or to develop a product in Unity. I got a much more idea here that what are the things we actually need. That was a good experience out there, having the training lessons, gaining the trainings from the experienced guys there, getting the speeches and all out there. That was a good experience there. Expectations this year we had come with a zero expectation, that what we don't have anything in our mind. We just come here, we just want to represent ourselves, we just want to have a view of Unity. But the next year we are definitely going with much more complicated challenging thing out there, and that I think Unity will provide us next year. That's the hope we are facing right now. Unity has organized much more than expected actually. As here's, if I would need to rate this event, I would rate it's 9.5 than 10. That's a rating, because there is something which we go for the drawback, but yeah, Unity has done its best with collecting people, gathering people around, making new content, making new means friends around here, new connections out there. Yeah, Unity has done a good job this time.